Hey folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm cooking up a barbecued cherry bourbon turkey crown. Okay, so I'm a big fan of turkey, especially at Christmas. I love it on the barbecue, it goes great. What I tend not to do is to cook the whole turkey in a oneer. I think the breast and the thighs and legs cook differently, so I tend to separate them out, and I like to cook the crown separately. So you've got two lovely plump breasts here and the breastbone in the middle. So I'm gonna simply use some CountryWoodSmoke House Rub on here and then finish it off once it's had a smoke and got a bit of nice colour with a bit of cherry bourbon barbecue sauce. A gentle even coating all over of the house rub. It's nice and herby, this rub, so it tastes really good with this turkey. So when cooking turkey, it's very important to check the temperatures. So we're going to use the meter here, meter block. We're going to pop this one into the deepest part. So I'm going to just come under the skin there and then go into about there, which is the deepest part, making sure it's fully in. I've got a chunk of cherry here that I'm going to pop on those coals, and I'm going to be looking for about 180 to 200 degrees C on here. Get your rubbed turkey, there we go. That should take an hour and a half, something like that. Okay, so the meter block's now saying we're at 68 degrees C, internal temperature for this turkey crown. I'm going to give it a nice glaze with this cherry bourbon barbecue sauce. This is lovely stuff. I'm going to give it a nice sweetness. Wow, look at the colour on that. Cherry smoke. Okay, so meter's saying this is just about ready to come off, so I'm going to bring it off and have a look and see how we've done. Okay, so the meter's done its job, just hit 74 degrees C, so we know it's good and safe to eat, and it's going to be still nice and juicy. The skin feels nice and crisp, and I'm going to just cut this either side of the breastbone. Just take it off bone like that. We've allowed it to rest. Look how juicy it is. Amazing. Look at how juicy that is. It's amazing. So I'm going to cut into this and cut some nice slices off. So for me, I always take the breast off and slice it. So nice thick slices here. And this, you've got a slight pink smoke ring from this. There we go. Look at that. That looks sensational. This is going to be so tasty. I'm going to grab a bit here. That bit's got my name on it. And let's go in for a taste. So turkey can be really juicy like this. That is sensationally juicy, flavourful. I haven't brined this or anything, just cooked it to the right temperature. It's got a nice smoke from that cherry smoke, a lovely colour on the outside, and a nice sweetness and slightly savouriness from the cherry bourbon sauce. That is so good. So turkey on the barbecue can be amazing. So this Christmas, make sure you give it a try on your barbecue. If you've got any tips or any ideas on how to cook a turkey on a barbecue that you'd like to share with me or with others, then please comment in the comment below and let me know. And hope you enjoyed this video. Merry Christmas. Cheers.